What if I told you a single can of chickpeas can make the crunchiest, most addictive snack you've ever had? And it's ready in under 20 minutes in your air fryer. Most packaged snacks are loaded with sodium, preservatives, and mystery ingredients. And they still leave you wanting more. I used to grab a bag of chips every afternoon without even thinking. Not anymore. Today, I'm showing you exactly how I make crispy air fryer garbanzo bean snacks. Crunchy on the outside, perfectly seasoned, totally customizable, and way better than anything off a shelf. This recipe has become my absolute go-to, and I think it'll become yours too. Let's get started. I open a can of organic chickpeas or garbanzo beans. Drain the chickpeas thoroughly, then spread them on a paper towel and pat them dry. I like to remove the loose skins from the chickpeas because they tend to turn dark in the air fryer, which doesn't look as appealing. Then add 2 to 3 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil and 1/8 teaspoon of salt, and mix until the chickpeas are evenly coated. I'm just using salt today, but you can use either regular salt or kosher salt. You can also add any seasonings you like, such as garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, black pepper, or Italian seasoning. Preheat the air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 17 minutes. Once it beeps, add the chickpeas to the air fryer basket. After 17 minutes, remove the chickpeas from the air fryer and let them cool for a few minutes. As they cool, they'll become even crispier. Now, let's give them a try. Listen to that crunch. And that's it. Crispy, delicious air fryer chickpeas in just 17 minutes. Give this recipe a try and let me know in the comments what seasoning combo you used. If you liked this video, hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss my next easy recipe. See you soon!